This is my how-to project. Today we'll be making a homemade fire extinguisher. This actually relates to our chemical reactions unit that we did. I think it was unit 3 or 4 or 5, I don't know. Alright, so first, what you need is you need white vinegar, you need baking soda, a pitcher or something you can mix something in and then pour it out. This, you need a lid. This, I didn't have a lid on this, so I just put some tin foil on top. It does the same thing. And then you need a candle to show the effect of the fire extinguisher. So first, what you need to do is you need to pour in just roughly a little bit, just about 2 tablespoons of baking soda, roughly. Let's get that in there. Alright, then you need to pour in about, I don't know, a half cup of white vinegar in there. As you can see, want to cover really quickly.
Wow!
As you can see, chemical reaction happened, bubbles fizz. This is actually making carbon dioxide gas, which is what will be used to, of course, put out the fire. So once the bubbles stop, what you do, light the candle.
Nice.
And you take it, and show you pour the gas, not the liquid, in. Yeah, like that. So what happens? So pretty much what happens is fire needs oxygen, just like we do. So if you pour this onto the fire, what happens is it takes away the oxygen needed for the fire to thrive. So this, when you pour it out, it can't breathe. I poured a little out, but it can't breathe, and it causes the fire to stop. So what happens here is when you mix the vinegar and the baking soda, it creates a chemical reaction which produces a gas. This gas is carbon dioxide, as I said before. So this gas is actually a little denser than the air, so you can pour it out onto a fire and not have to worry about it floating away until it takes the fire out. Anyway, thanks for watching.